Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we're on the daily time frame to start with. Because on the daily time frame, we definitely did make a pretty good bounce yesterday. We do not have an engulfing move to the upside yet, so we really can't even say for sure that this may not just keep on going down. But it does look like a lot of the US dollar pairs could make a pullback. Now, the question is, if it does go up, will it be just a pullback to this last wave down and then continue the downtrend? Or is this actually just going to keep on going up like this and this is going to be like an A, B, C? If it does confirm the move up, I would be looking for longs and hopefully learning and earning at the same time, whether it's a correction to the downtrend or whether it's a complete trend reversal. So going all the way down to the 1 hour time frame is where I got my Fibonacci retracement on this move up right here. I would expect this move down to very likely be a pullback to this 5 waves up. So I would definitely be keeping a very close eye on these fib levels. If you get like a nice engulfing turn to the upside, especially if it's a nice 3 wave pullback, then that definitely would be a long on the dollar. Or obviously you would take that information and apply it to the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.